Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the tester and attaching the remote terminator to the far end. This sets a known reference. Once done, plug the main unit into the near RJ45 plug and ensure the LED panel is visible. You do this because the tester compares continuity and wiring order between both ends, so labeling and choosing the correct standard, T568A versus T568B, prevents false fails. Now, press the test button and watch the first sequence. You watch LEDs cycle through pair numbers and interpret 3 core results: continuity, pair swapping, or shorts. Once the sequence finishes, read the numeric or blinking pattern to locate faults. Many testers display pair order and distance to fault. If your unit supports tone, switch to tone mode and probe along the run to trace breaks in walls. Make sure to check shield continuity for shielded twisted pair. Doing so prevents grounding and noise issues later. You finish by documenting the results and disconnecting the remote, because keeping a record helps if you must return later. Once done, if the tester shows opens or miswires, re-terminate the connectors and test again. Poor crimps and bent pins cause most failures. If you still see intermittent faults or unexpected distance readings, swap in a known good cable and retest. Replacing the cable is often the only reliable fix when distance to fault stays inconsistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.